Avec Reflexion, supercross de Paris avec Justin Brayton. So Justin, good job, second place. You traveled the world lately, so what's the plan for now?
Yeah, I've definitely traveled the world. I was in Australia for a couple months and then came here to Paris, and now I'll fly back home to the US tomorrow, and then I'll fly to New Zealand on Tuesday. So, and then back to Geneva. So it's a lot of travel for sure, but I'm up for it. I love racing. I love coming to Europe and racing, and yeah, I wouldn't have it any other way. So to be second tonight, I'm pretty happy with that, just because I've been really sick the past week or two. So didn't even know how well I'd be able to ride, but to come out second tonight, I'm pretty proud of that.
Do you think it's better to race than training to prepare for the season?
Yes, absolutely. I'm a huge believer in racing, and you know, we can only practice so much on the same track over and over. And, yeah, there's nothing like racing. Your heart rate's different. You use different muscles, so I'm a huge component of racing.
I feel like you pushed a lot in one moto today. Did you want to show everybody that you have the speed?
Yeah, I know I definitely have the speed. I just don't have the endurance right now. I had pneumonia, now I have bronchitis, and I'm breathing on about a quarter of a lung. So I know my limits. That's the thing with me being a little bit older. I know my limits. I mean, there could have been a race or two tonight where I might have been able to win, but I know my limits, and I know come January, Anaheim is important, and that's our main goal.
Thank you so much, and good luck for the championship.
Cool, thank you.